In an earlier video, we had told you about the rules of changing from direct to indirect speech. And for junior students, here we are illustrating it with some simple illustration, and we are giving a step-by-step procedure. In all these examples, you'll find that we have given step-by-step where you are changing the tense, why you are changing the tense, where you are changing the pronouns, where you are changing the adverb of time and place, step-by-step examples of changing from direct to indirect narration. And this is mainly meant for junior students. So we have limited our reporting verb to said, told, and asked. We are not introducing prayed, requested, ordered, and other reporting verbs, but we are limiting it to asked for questions and said or told for statements. So step by step, let us illustrate how to change direct speech to indirect speech. So here we go with the video on narration, which will make the topic very easy. The first example, he said, Tom often plays with me. He said, Tom often plays with me. The first thing you notice, said is the reporting verb which is in past tense. That means all the things should be changed to past tense. So plays in present tense is replaced by played because the reporting verb is in past tense. Next, the pronoun me is changed to him. Me is in first person, is changed to him in third person. And here we have no adverb of time and place, so no adverb of time and place requires any change. So just the two changes, plays to played, because the reporting verb is in past tense, and the pronoun me to pronoun him. And we get finally, he said that Tom often played with him. There's the final answer we get, Tom often played with him. Second, he said, who steals Tom's books? He said, who steals Tom's book? First of all, note that said, the reporting verb, is in past tense. But said is changed to asked because this is a question. You can see that it ends in question mark. So because it's a question, we are replacing said with the word asked. Said is replaced with asked. Now, because the reporting verb is in past tense, steals, present tense, is changed to stole. Steals, which is in present tense, is changed to stole in past tense because the reporting verb is in past tense. And since no adverb of time or place requires change, and here we don't have pronoun, we have noun. A noun is never changed, only a pronoun is changed. So he asked, who stole Tom's book? Now, deliberately we have written that and cut it. The reason why we have written it and we are also striking through it is that after asked, do not use the word that. After asked, do not use the word that. That's why we have written it and cut it. He asked, who stole Tom's books? Do not use the verb that after asked. She said to me, where is your father? Note that said, the reporting verb, is in past tense. So this should be changed to past tense. And because it is a question, where is your father? Question. So said is replaced by asked. But still the reporting verb is in past tense. So is will be changed to was. Because the reporting verb is in past tense, is becomes was. And the pronoun your father becomes my father. Your father becomes my father. And then we change the order of words. We don't say, she asked me where was my father. We say, she asked me where my father was. If we don't change the order of words, but make all of the changes, the sentence would be, she asked me, where was your father? No, she asked me where my father was. So the order of words needs to be changed in case of these types of questions. So she asked me where my father was. Copernicus said the earth goes round the sun. Now note that although this is in past tense, we do not change the tense because there is a universal truth. For universal truth like earth moving round the sun, we do not change the tense. So do not change goes to went. This will not change in tense because it's a universal truth, and we don't have any adverb of time in place and no pronouns. So we say Copernicus said that the earth moves around the sun. This will not be changed. Or goes, also you can say goes, sorry. You can also write goes. The earth goes round the sun. The original thing was goes, but do not change it to went or moved. He said to me, what did you do yesterday? He said to me, what did you do yesterday? Now, first of all, note that it is in past tense, so there will be a change of tense. But first, this is a question. What did you do yesterday? It's a question. What did you do? So said becomes asked. So he asked me. That is the first part. Instead of he said to me, he asked me. There's a question, he asked me. Now, since this is in past tense, now present tense would change to past tense, but this is already in past tense. So we change it to past perfect, had done, which is already in past, we change to past perfect. If it is in present, we change to past. If it is in past, in most cases, we change it to past perfect. So instead of did do, we are saying had done. Change in tense. Simple past to past perfect. And you is changed to me, and also you is changed to I. You will be changed to I, sorry, not me. He will be changed, you will be changed to I. And yesterday, the adverb of time would be changed to the previous day. So he asked me what I had done the previous day. Not the order of words, not what had I done. If you keep the same order of words, it would be what had I done, but in indirect speech, we change the order of words, what I had done. So he asked me what I had done the previous day, not yesterday, the previous day. Next we have, he said to me, I'll go to Japan. First of all, note that this is in past tense. So, will should be changed to would. The first change of tense, because reporting verb is in past tense, will becomes would. And I, the pronoun, becomes he. So he told me. You can also say he said to me. You can change it to he told me. So he told me that he would go to Japan. You can also retain as it is. He said to me that he would go to Japan, but the common practice is to change said to me, we change to told me. So he told me that he would go to Japan. Mother said to me, are you unwell? Now note that this is a question. This is a question. And because it's a question, said will be changed to asked. Said will be changed to asked. And this is a yes no question. Are you unwell? You can say yes, you can say no. So this is an yes no or alternative question. So we use the word whether and not the spelling. We use the word whether because it's a yes no question. And are, ARER is in present tense, and because the reporting verb is in past tense, we make it was. But we do not say was I, we change the order of words I was. Not was I, here it is are you. Don't say was I, we make it I was. So mother asked me whether I was ill. Mother asked me whether I was ill. And note that to is not required. We do not use the word to. Mother asked me, not mother asked to me. Mother asked me whether I was ill. Do not use the word to. He said to me, but he told me. He asked me. Do not use the word to. Mother asked me whether I was ill. He said to me, why did you not attend the party? Note that this is in past tense reporting verb. So, and there is a question. So, said will be replaced with asked. So, he asked me. Because there is a question, not he said to me, he asked me. And it is already in past tense. Now, because the reporting verb is in past tense, we have to change the tense. But this is already in past tense. Present becomes past and simple past becomes past perfect. So, did attend becomes had, had. Did not attend becomes had not attended. Did attend becomes had attended, and did not attend becomes had not attended, and the pronoun you is replaced by I. So he asked me why I had not attended the party. Not don't say had I. The order of words again should be changed. Why I had not attended the party. He asked me why I had not attended the party. Not why had I not attended the party. The question form is here, but here in the indirect question we change the order of words to normal affirmative or statement order. He asked me why I had not attended the party. So that was from Easy Elite English Education Trust. We will come back with more such useful videos, and if you need videos on any specific topic, WhatsApp us or email us, because our services are always free of charge. Goodbye and thank you.